Payrib is an online platform that aims to enable users to earn profits by performing various tasks such as viewing ads, completing surveys, and interacting with the content displayed on the site. Payrib is marketed as an online freelance opportunity where users can earn additional income on a daily basis through simple activities. The most prominent features of Payrib: ease of use. It features a simple user interface that suits all age groups, including beginners in the field of online work. Diversity of ways to earn. The site provides several options for earning profits, from viewing ads to performing small tasks. Profit withdrawal options. The site provides various means of withdrawing money, such as bank transfers or digital wallets. Free registration. Users can create an account and start earning without having to pay any fees. Is Payrib reliable? There are mixed opinions about the credibility of the site, as some users praise the ease of earning money through it, while others express concerns about the credibility of withdrawals and long-term profitability. It is important to do research and review the experiences of others before investing in any electronic platform. Warning: if you are considering using Payrib, it is advisable to read the terms and conditions, check user reviews, and not invest large amounts of money without ensuring the credibility of the platform. Hello. In this video, we will talk about Payrib, an online platform that offers an opportunity to earn extra income online. Payrib allows users to earn money by doing simple tasks such as watching ads, completing surveys, and interacting with content. If you are looking for an easy and fun way to increase your income, this site may be for you. How to register and use the site. Registering on Payrib is easy and simple. All you have to do is visit the site, enter your email and password, and you will be ready to start. Once you log into your account, you will find a control panel containing all the available tasks. You can choose the tasks that suit you and start implementing them immediately. Ways to make money. Payrib offers you a variety of ways to make money. You can earn money by watching short ads that take only seconds, or by completing quick and fun surveys. Each task you complete gives you points, and you can convert these points into money and withdraw them once you reach the minimum withdrawal limit. Site reliability and user experiences. Now, the most important question: is Payrib a reliable site? Opinions are mixed. Some users confirm that they were able to withdraw their profits easily, while others complain about delays in withdrawal or difficulty in achieving the minimum profit. So it is always advisable to read reviews and review user experiences before starting. Final advice: if you decide to try Payrib, we advise you to start slowly and not invest large amounts of money. Treat the platform as a means of earning additional income, not as a primary source of income. And do not forget to follow the terms of use and any updates provided by the site. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, do not forget to like and subscribe for more distinguished videos. Payrib is an online platform that aims to enable users to earn profits by performing various tasks such as viewing ads, completing surveys, and interacting with the content displayed on the site. Payrib is marketed as an online freelance opportunity where users can earn additional income on a daily basis through simple activities. The most prominent features of Payrib: ease of use. It features a simple user interface that suits all age groups, including beginners in the field of online work. Diversity of ways to earn. The site provides several options for earning profits, from viewing ads to performing small tasks. Profit withdrawal options. The site provides various means of withdrawing money, such as bank transfers or digital wallets. Free registration. Users can create an account and start earning without having to pay any fees. Is Payrib reliable? There are mixed opinions about the credibility of the site, as some users praise the ease of earning money through it, while others express concerns about the credibility of withdrawals and long-term profitability. It is important to do research and review the experiences of others before investing in any electronic platform. Warning: if you are considering using Payrib, it is advisable to read the terms and conditions, check user reviews, and not invest large amounts of money without ensuring the credibility of the platform. Hello. In this video, we will talk about Payrib, an online platform that offers an opportunity to earn extra income online. Payrib allows users to earn money by doing simple tasks such as watching ads, completing surveys, and interacting with content. If you are looking for an easy and fun way to increase your income, this site may be for you. How to register and use the site. Registering on Payrib is easy and simple. All you have to do is visit the site, enter your email and password, and you will be ready to start. Once you log into your account, you will find a control panel containing all the available tasks. You can choose the tasks that suit you and start implementing them immediately. Ways to make money. Payrib offers you a variety of ways to make money. You can earn money by watching short ads that take only seconds or by completing quick and fun surveys. Each task you complete gives you points, and you can convert these points into money and withdraw them once you reach the minimum withdrawal limit. Site reliability and user experiences. Now, the most important question, is Payrib a reliable site? Opinions are mixed. Some users confirm that they were able to withdraw their profits easily, while others complain about delays in withdrawal or difficulty in achieving the minimum profit. So it is always advisable to read reviews and review user experiences before starting. Final advice. If you decide to try Payrib, we advise you to start slowly and not invest large amounts of money. Treat the platform as a means of earning additional income, not as a primary source of income. And do not forget to follow the terms of use and any updates provided by the site. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, do not forget to like and subscribe for more distinguished videos.